Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Would you like to have an RV camper as a design for your birdhouse? If you love birds and want a way of attracting beautiful birds into your garden, then the camper birdhouse will be the perfect partner for you. This is a birdhouse which is designed to look like a camper RV. The entrance hole of this item measures 1 1/8 inches, so no squirrel will be able to bother the birds and eat the bird feeds inside it. Here are its product information. Dimensions are 8 by 5.5 by 5, weight is 1.5, style is camper. This item will fit many various locations, but is most ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. So what are you waiting for? Grab the camper birdhouse today at a very affordable price, and see to it that you have a unique birdhouse which will lively up your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.